The State Congress filed a complaint against the abuse of office by State Women Commission Chairperson Pidalia Toy for participating in the election rally of Jawai NPP candidate Wailat Miki Shula. The delegation also made a complaint on the defacing of the Shillong city by the posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda. The CEO FR Kharkongor has taken cognizance of the matter and assured investigation and appropriate action.
Women's Commission is usually a political appointee, but we'll have to check the rules, and we'll also have to check the veracity of the complaint. So right now, until I get something in black and white, it'd be premature for me to say anything. Once I get the report from the district election officer, and once I get a reply from the person being complained against, then the matter will be clear, and based on that, then further action will be taken. But I cannot give any presumptive answer right now.